So guys, this is going to be our movement for the day on our Euro GBP. So let's take a look at what Euro GBP is actually going to be giving us for the day. But before that, let's do a recap on what we did, we predicted yesterday. Our prediction, right, for the day was that markets will be giving us a bullish move. I literally told you guys why we'll be anticipating for that bullish move because we're at this major zone, right? Guess what market did? Markets eventually did give us a bullish move. We were expecting market to actually give us a bullish move for the day. Market did give us that bullish move. It opened and closed bullish. Now, this is to tell you that about our analysis on Euro GBP was absolutely correct, right? And this is to tell you that when whatever analysis we do or whatever prediction we make, have it in mind that over 90% of it will actually move it to the direction. This is one of the reasons why you need to follow the Telegram channel because we put in one or two updates there. You'll find the link to the Telegram and you can also subscribe and also click on the bell notification. Now, this is going to be our movement. Like I said previously yesterday, our prediction on Euro GBP is to the upside, right? That is our prediction. So we would expect it to continue. Now, if you have to zoom it out, right, this is a major level highlighted right here, whereby markets came down to test this level. Guess what? Markets rejected, bounced up. Markets eventually came back again to test the same level. It rejected and it bounced up, right? Markets eventually came back again to test the same level. Then it bounced up, rejected, right, and bounced up, right. Now markets eventually drop again to test the same level. So guess what we'll be expecting? We should expect market to actually reject and bounce up. So this is to tell you that in the long run, a bullish move is what we should be expecting on our Euro GBP. Now, could there be changes to this prediction I've just did? Absolutely yes. There could be changes. There's a possibility of changes being made. If there will be any changes, I'll make sure I do the update and let you guys know. So make sure you subscribe in order for you to miss out on the updates.